everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you what is in our April Creative Card Kit. Make all these beautiful cards. Let's take a look at what's in the kit. Alrighty, let's start with some beautiful double satin ribbon in black. Oh, dropped them. The gorgeous gold rhinestones from us, Uniquely Creative. So they're really cool and unique. The Fleur collectibles. A pack of 10 craft card and envelopes. And of course, the Fleur paper pad, 6.5-inch paper pad. I'll just give you a quick flick through this. Tanya Ridgewell is our designer for our card kit. She does an amazing job every single month. I'm just going to show you what else you get. Of course, you get, ta-da, the printout of all the cards, actual size. So if you take this little card here, for example, you pop it on the top there, it is the exact same size. So all you need to do is measure from here to here, and that's the exact same size Tanya did. So let's take a quick look at the gorgeous cards. What a great stash card. Thank you for everything. Lots of little thank yous. If you didn't want to put the I love you on there, you could just put something else on there, but really cute. Just great little thank you cards. Change them up. If you've got a birthday stamp or something, you can put that on there instead. I really love this range. It's such a fun, gorgeous range. And of course, Tanya's done an amazing job like she does every single month. Okay, creative card kits are just $25. That's well below RRP if you bought all this product individually. We ship them Australia-wide just for $7.95. You buy them over on our website, www.uniquelycreative.com.au. Thanks, guys. Bye.